everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300, the luxury compact SUV that's all about balance, comfort meets performance, tech meets simplicity, and elegance meets everyday usability. From first glance, the GLC 300 carries that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz DNA, smooth lines, bold presence, and a touch of athleticism. The front fascia is updated with a sleeker grille and digital LED headlamps that give it a sharp, modern look, especially at night. The sculpted bodywork flows cleanly into the rear, where you'll find slim wraparound taillights and a slightly more coupe-like profile than before. It rides on standard 18-inch wheels, with options up to 20 inches depending on your trim and package. Step inside, and this is where the GLC 300 really shines. Mercedes has taken the interior game to another level. You're greeted by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen that's gently curved toward the driver. It runs the latest MBUX infotainment system, which includes voice control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even a fingerprint scanner for personalized profiles. Materials are top-tier, soft-touch surfaces, real wood or aluminum trims, and optional Nappa leather. And of course, Mercedes' signature 64-color ambient lighting creates a cabin that feels like a high-end lounge. Rear legroom is generous for a compact SUV, and with 21.9 cubic feet of cargo space, expandable to nearly 60 with the seats down, it's as practical as it is premium. Under the hood, the 2025 GLC 300 gets a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It pushes out 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, more than enough for confident highway merging and daily driving. The 9-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, and whether you choose rear-wheel drive or Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, the GLC offers a composed, comfortable ride with just enough sporty edge when you want it. Thanks to the mild hybrid setup, you get an extra electric boost during acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, with estimates around 26 mpg combined. Tech-wise, it's loaded. You've got optional augmented reality navigation, a crisp head-up display, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking a breeze. Safety features include standard forward collision warning, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. It's basically a semi-autonomous experience in traffic. So, who is the 2025 GLC 300 for? If you're looking for a luxury SUV that's stylish without being flashy, tech-savvy without being overwhelming, and comfortable yet capable, this might just be your perfect daily driver. It's not the most aggressive SUV out there, but it doesn't need to be. The GLC 300 is all about delivering a refined, balanced experience that feels premium every time you get behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments, would you pick the GLC over its rivals like the BMW X3 or Audi Q5?